up, guys? We got a Chevy Camaro 2023 here. This is the kill switch that we sell for these type of vehicles. Whoever has interested, can give us a call for the kill switch. It's going to run you $220, and we can ship it out to you anywhere in the United States. When you call us, don't ask us what it is, because for security reasons we don't disclose how it works or anything, but it works very well. It's a do-it-yourself kit. It will take you 5 minutes to do, and you don't have to have any tools or anything. We'll send you the video so you can do the installation yourself. It's a plug and play, very easy to do, no tools required. Basically, the way it works is when you get out of the car, it automatically arms itself in 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and try to start it now, and you're going to see the car won't start. Okay, see, it doesn't start. Okay, so what you do is before you start the car, you press this button here at the top, and now the car starts right up. And then the same process, when you arrive at wherever you're going, you turn off the car and it will automatically engage itself in 30 seconds. You really don't have to do anything. So let's say you're going to go get tires or any type of service, and you want to put it in the valet mode. You hit top, bottom. That means you can start the car 10 times, and it will automatically, after that 10th time, it will automatically come out and go back to normal operation. You don't have to do anything. But say you get the car back sooner, whatever amount of times that the people at the shop started it, whatever's left, and you want to take it out of valet right away, and then you reverse the process. You go bottom, top, and that puts the kit back on normal operation right away. So yeah, it has that in case you go to those type of clubs, car shows and stuff like that, and you got to keep moving the car. You don't want to fuss around with the starter kill. You can put it on valet, and then when you get the car back, take it out of valet, and then you can use it for normal operations. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Whoever's in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, can give us a call, and we can come out and install this for you right away. But if you're out of state, don't worry. Give us a call, and we can guide you again how to purchase this. It's very easy to do. It's a 3-day free shipping. Again, don't call us and ask us how it works. Well, actually, you see the video how it works, but don't call us and ask us what it is and how it's installed, because for security reasons, I like to keep it private. This is Auto Line Specialist, and we're based out of Miami. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is the kill switch for the Chevy Camaro.